Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for your oven. The reason why you'd have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to open up our stove here. Now I'm going to take out the top rack. And right back here where the light is, you can see there's a missing screw there, and that's causing this to be a little bit loose there. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're just going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and screw that into place. And now you can close up your oven door and your repair is complete. My girlfriend told me she was leaving me because I act like a transformer all the time. I said, no, wait, I can change. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.